Okay, tonight we're going to make a vegetarian dish, but you can make it vegan if you want to. So we're going to make a vegetable or vegan risotto. So I've got a good sized saucepan here, we'll just turn that on. Get some olive oil in. A couple of tablespoons probably went in there. Let that heat up. So we need to chop 2 onions and 2 cloves of garlic whilst that's heating up. So, as it's, what time is it? 25 to 6. I think I'm ready for a beer. And right, chop the onion. So this needs to be sort of fairly fine. Okay, let's get this in the pan. Give this a stir. Turn it down a little bit. So it's on medium heat now. Chop the garlic. Okay. Plunk that in with the onion. So for a risotto, the boreal rice is good. So that's what I'm using today. So this is about just over 300 grams in there. And just put all that in. Going to coat that with the olive oil. Right, I'm going to put the kettle on. So you add hot stock to this, or I'm going to use. I think I'll use a couple of these stock pot things. So we go with 2. So we're going to be using probably about a litre of water with these. I don't want to put these in just yet though, just get them ready. Okay, then wine is quite an important ingredient in risotto, white wine, so I'm going to put some of that in, so probably a good glass. Leave some for Eleanor in the fridge. So one of the things about risottos is you've got to keep stirring it every now and again. So let's turn that up again. In this, apart from the onions and the garlic, I'm going to cook the vegetables separately. So I'm going to get something out the cupboard where James is standing. Believe it or not, microwaving the vegetables and some olive oil in here. So I've got a courgette, a red pepper and a carrot. And the water's just completely boiling in the kettle, so we're going to add a bit more of that. Bring that down. So that's now boiling away on a fairly low heat. So I'm going to get these vegetables ready. And the risotto's getting on. So when it starts sort of absorbing all the liquid, then you need to put more in. So I'm not measuring mine because I've done this a lot of quite a few times over the years. So, but like I say, you need about a litre in total for that amount of rice. Right, red pepper in, seeds out. Yeah. Drop that across. Olive oil in there. So we're just basically going to cook this in the microwave. Very low maintenance, and it can just cook away whilst the risotto rice is cooking. So I'm going to put that on for 6 minutes to start with. Okay. James, come in here. So you see how that's absorbed all the liquid, so it's ready for some more. But I think we'll probably put the stock in now as well. So. Some boiling water. Back down. So one thing we're going to need, unless you're making a vegan version, is some Parmesan cheese. If you want to use vegan cheese you can, but it's extremely smelly, horrible stuff. So you're probably better off just missing it out. Right, Parmesan. So, got that, that'll probably do. Fine. Salt and pepper in. Not too much at this stage. So Thomas's shoes that Woody, our new dog, loves to play with. Hello Woody, you can see what we're doing. Okay, so the vegetables have been in the microwave 10 minutes now on full power. I think they're pretty much done. Yeah. So the courgette, gone quite floppy. Carrot, it's got a bit of bend in it, yeah, so that's taken 10 minutes. So I'm not going to put those in yet. Wait till the risotto's done. Just a bit more liquid, sorry James. Okay, so we just need to make sure that the rice is done. It should take at least 25 minutes. Yeah, it's still quite crunchy, so let's leave that on low heat for another 5 minutes or so, making sure it doesn't stick to the bottom. So I think I've pretty much got all the liquid in now. Just needs to cook a bit more. Okay, so it's been almost half an hour since this was started. The rice has been in a little bit less than that, but I think it's pretty much done. So if you're vegan, you can't do this step, but you're going to put in a big chunk of butter, probably 30 grams, and then turn it up. And then some Parmesan cheese. Save those for the top. Okay. We'll stir that in until it's all melted. So the butter gives it a bit of a glaze as well, a bit more flavour. See, the Parmesan cheese is quite strong, so that gives it a bit more flavour. Throw the vegetables in. So that's done. Let's serve a bit. Some Parmesan cheese on it. Black pepper. There you go. Veggie risotto. Or vegan if you want. Not too much messing about.